Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. After being disgraced, humiliated, and shamed, El-Rufai withdraw interest in ministerial appointments, recommend replacement. So El-Rufai, was disgraced. A whole 48 people, not be 10 people, not be 20, not be 25, not be 30, not be 40. 48 persons' names were sent by Tinubu to the Senate. Although we not say they say the Senate now all righteous, so they are all rubber stamp, by the way. But they were sent, and everybody thought, El-Rufai will be certified. But before you could say Jack Robinson, people stood against El-Rufai, and not just any Nigerians. The North himself stood against El-Rufai, saying, no, we can't have such a man to be representing us in ministerial capacity for Kaduna. He said, no. El-Rufai is like, that little gun that has bullets, that has capacity to kill. He said El-Rufai is not a clean person. And they went on and on. In fact, when the Senate refused to certify him, El-Rufai, the Arewa group sent a thank you letter to the Senate saying, you have done well. Thanks for listening, because we don't want El-Rufai again. They said why he was governor, that he was frustrating them and everything. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. After being disgraced, humiliated, and shamed, El-Rufai withdraw shamefully from ministerial appointment, recommend replacement. A former governor of Kaduna State, El-Rufai, has withdrawn his interest in being part of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's cabinet. Premium Times can exclusively report. Presidency source said El-Rufai told President Tinubu at the meeting on Tuesday, where he brought in Nyesom Wike to speak with the president, said that he knows is no longer interested. Since the Senate can screen him out, there is no need. He is no longer interested in becoming a minister, but will continue to contribute his quota to the development of Nigeria as a private citizen. He also told the president that he needed time to focus on his doctorate program at the University of Netherlands, one of our sources has said. Another insider told this media that the former governor suggested a new ministerial nominee, Jamfaru Ibrahim Sani from Kaduna State, saying the president will find him very useful and resourceful. El-Rufai feels very disgraced, shamed, and abandoned by the Senate, who refused to screen him, and says he should go further to the president. He was not the only person. Stella Oketete from Delta State and Taraba nominee was also rejected based on NYSC certificates. Mr. Sani served as a commissioner in three ministries in Kaduna State local government area. He was also the local government education and environment, while Mr. El-Rufai was governor. Mr. El-Rufai visited the president at the presidential villa a day after the Senate confirmed only 45 ministerial nominees after a week-long screening of the 48 of them. The upper legislative chamber, however, withheld his confirmation, and two of these orders, citing security reports from the State Security Service for their action. The two others were a former senator from Taraba, Senator Dalandi, and a nominee from Delta State, Stella Oketete. Our source said, on becoming aware of the Senate pronouncement on his case, that there was security reasons on him, who only returned to Nigeria from London on Monday. Sources got an update, said he cannot continue and go and beg the Senate for confirmation. Rather, he would like to step down and nominated someone else. So that's the ordeal with our very own brother El-Rufai. He has been rejected, and he has taken the best route. If you ask me, he has taken the best route to say, you know what, let it be so. He went there with Nyesom Wike, and the plan was that they will speak about it. But thinking about it, I guess he did not want to come out to say he has been certified. In fact, all Nigerians will say, the magic has been done. However, he just came out to say he will support privately, and he also want to focus on his doctorate. By the way, he has picked up his doctorate from at Netherlands, so he'll be traveling out of the country anyway. And if you know, doctorate degree is not 1 year, it's not 2 years, minimum of 3 years, so it's going to the Netherlands. But the only catch there is that by the time he's done, is there a plan for him to become a citizen? We don't know. I'm only asking a question, because most of these people you see, if even they themselves, your president self get what citizenship now, and Guinea. He just tell us that he say the passport don't expire. That the passport has expired, does it mean it cannot be renewed? I mean, you not get expired Nigerian passport for there. You don't make you not be Nigerian citizen because your passport expire. So there's a whole lot going on in this corridor, and a lot more happening that everybody needs to pay attention to. Yes, so these are some of the things. So because waiting the Senate do am, he pay now where no expect am. If he say they go must clear am, no expecting na in the court say your bishop not clear. We can't deal. We can't deal. So that thing give am real serious pain on the inside. So he had no choice. Okay, he had no choice but to say, okay, let's take it like that. Let me go and do my doctorate. So he said he's going to focus and concentrate on the doctorate, and he has gone. So that's just what he said he's going to do now. So every single person can see. We all can pay attention and see exactly what is happening, and it is high time we begin to concentrate on all that and ensure that, at the end of the day, we should make things, ready and available for us to move forward. Any single person who says Nigeria will not move forward, for their own personal gain or whatever they are gaining, it's only a matter of time. They themselves will also feel the bonds. Yeah, they themselves will also feel it. So you cannot stay there, and tell us that, that's it. You'll be making a mistake. Oh, yes, a big one at that. So whatever goes on, whatever happens, the most important thing is that we are choosing the right way. Yes, and we are doing all that is needed, necessary to move us forward. Please don't forget to give us the thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.